Welcome to our new YouTube channel, Good Morning Vietnam, powered by 5 Pillars Realty Group. Here we're going to focus on a lot of topics, specifically focused on how veterans can leverage their benefits to start investing in real estate. Okay guys, last time we talked about what the VA loan was and what were some of the stipulations with the VA loan. Now we're going to get creative. We're going to talk about how we can actually use the VA loan to begin investing in real estate. Okay, so first things we want to define is equity and net worth. Okay, basically if you take the value of all the assets you have minus all of your liabilities or your loans, that gives you your net worth. It's the same concept when it comes to a house when trying to find out what your equity is. So if you purchased a home for $100,000 using the standard conventional way of 20% down, when you purchase the home, the value is $100,000, your loan is $80,000, and your equity is $20,000. Why is that important? What if I told you you can use your VA loan to purchase a property that has equity in it from the beginning? Use your VA loan to purchase a foreclosure and you can put in sweat equity. Well, now you have $0 down and potentially upwards of $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 in equity. You just increased your net worth by $20,000 and you put zero money into it. Now when you think with an investor mindset, think of the amount of return that you had on your money. If you put in $0 and you got $20,000 in exchange, why wouldn't you do it? Right? So now there's some different ways to get equity. We have what we call sweat equity, where you essentially purchase a foreclosure and you do the repairs. Paint, carpet, maybe replace a few things here and there. And yes, you could hire it out to a contractor. Nonetheless, it's called sweat equity because it's equity that's forced into the property. Another way you could do it is simply just through negotiation. If you go in with the VA loan, you pay 0% down, but maybe you get the seller to cover the closing costs. And maybe you get the seller to reduce the price down by another $10,000. Now, obviously, market dependent, that may or may not be possible, but it's another example to show how you can use that VA loan and increase your equity position. Now, what if I was to tell you that you can use the VA loan at 0% down and live there for free? Have you ever heard of the term Househag? Househag has been actually made very popular by Brandon Turner and Scott Trench on Bigger Pockets. If you guys aren't a part of Bigger Pockets and want to learn about real estate investing, I highly suggest you go there. But imagine if you were to use the VA loan to purchase a duplex or a triplex. So what we consider residential properties is anything 1 to 4 units. Single family home, duplex, triplex, quadplex. And the VA loan allows you to purchase a 1 to 4 unit property. So if you use the VA loan at 0% down, moved into a duplex, for example, where you lived on one side and you rented out the other, that rent could potentially cover your mortgage. Now, if you bought it right, like we just previously discussed, maybe as a foreclosure or negotiated some equity in it, you now put $0 into a property that gives you equity and covers your mortgage. That's only the start. So what I need you to do now is 3 things. 1, if you're excited about the content, go ahead and click the thumbs up button down in the corner. 2, go ahead and subscribe so you have all the new information as soon as we publish it. And 3, if there's any new topics you want to discuss, just write it down below in the comments.